Hold on, let me pull y'all down. Say hi, beauties. Say hi.
No.
Okay, but today, guys, I'm gonna be doing a lock takedown. Where's my phone? Yeah, I'm gonna be doing a lock takedown with my nephew. We're gonna try to do this without him getting too distracted, too getting into everything. Hopefully he don't throw all my locks on the floor. Because he will do that, most definitely. Yeah, so hopefully this doesn't be too much of a struggle, but he's been acting crazy all day, getting into everything, so we're gonna try. You see my hair? No, see, this is what he thinks. I mean, when I say one thing to him, he think I mean crawl all over me, all that. He put my phone case here. So ooh, girl. If you're new to the channel, my name is Angelina. So hello, how are you, baby girl? This is the longest I kept a hairstyle in, so this is the final view of the locks. Can I see my hand? Can I guess this is the final view. This is the final view of them. I hope y'all can see my head. My edge is probably like a hot mess, but yeah, this is the longest I kept a hairstyle, and it's been since June 14th. So it's been a whole month and 2 weeks and 2 days since I've had these locks in. What is this child doing? What is he doing, y'all? But I think I'm gonna cut him. Got my scissors. Actually, I seen this girl. She had some, because he gonna try to get this comb. She had some, but I think I'm gonna try to cut, like, open up, like, where the waterway hair was, and then cut it off. So that way, I can unravel. Because here's my braid right here. Y'all can see. So I'm getting closer to the top. I'm trying to get the top of my hair out of this lock. Y'all, we are struggling at the top of my braid. Let me bring y'all a little closer so I can see. Y'all, baby girl, this a little stuck right here. Cute though. Look at that. Yes, coil. Yes, coil. We're here for it. Yes, very much so. What if my natural hair curled up like this? Girl, I'll be doing finger curls, coils for the rest of my days. Girl, I'm really struggling at the top of my... Now he just knocking everything on my dresser. I'm finna try to get the root. So I can cut it off. I really can't get the top of this. Y'all hear that rain, baby girl? It just started going crazy outside. Candy, what you doing, child? Pop. Y'all, he think it's funny. It ain't nothing funny. Nothing funny. Y'all, he do not be stunning me at all. Girl, I'm really trying to get this out. I'm really trying to get this out. Like, baby girl. Y'all see, he literally just threw my, This is what I be talking about. He not even one, not even in the type of twos. Child. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? He take everything as a joke. No, sir. Okay, girl, I'm really struggling. Like, somebody help me. Okay, girl, we kind of got it. We kind of got it. Okay. Hold on, girl. Hold on. Stop. No. Pop. Okay, girl. Girl, I think we got it. All right, we got the lock out. Girl, this lock look a little. I can really put these back in my head if I wanted to. No, I'm just playing. That's real ghetto. We got her out. She's going in the trash. I just want to know why this is still in my head. Explain, someone. Please, I'm trying to understand. Whole eating my case. But we're not even gonna talk about it. I hope all the other ones aren't like this, cause no ma'am, who got the time for this child? Okay, baby girl, we got it, baby girl. Baby girl, we got it. Y'all, he's digging his nose? Stop, child. You're nasty. No. There you go, stop putting his mouth. This is no. Kids are disgusting. Why would you do? Stop taking it out. Okay, y'all, we got it out. Y'all, he finna take a nap. Here it is. Y'all, look at all this new growth. That's where I took the crochet out at. I really thought, because that's actually where I come in here. Like, you can literally see the short pieces right there, but I didn't notice it. I thought I was tripping, but I'll show y'all later why I actually like noticed for real. So I thought I was tripping. Gonna cut this the water wave here. Okay, here's my braid. Unravel. Trying to go to sleep. Okay, we got the curly. Say hey, chugga. Hey, say hey, beauties. Oh, he tried to say hey, y'all. Okay. Oh, you pulled my weave. Girl. I think my baby's sleepy. He pulling my weave, girl. He pulling my weave. Girl, help. He really pulling my weave. Jesus. Oh, okay. So I think what I need to do is get the crochet off. Take the crochet lock out, and then I can pull the rest of the crochet out. I mean, the rest of the curly piece out. So let me cut this water wave. Y'all, we're gonna snap. Yummy. He said it's yummy. How he gonna drink his stuff and be on my lap like that? That's crazy. Here's the line. Alright, I'm gonna continue this process. I'm gonna get back to y'all. Okay. So y'all, my hair look a hot mess. It's 2 days later. Wait, I seen y'all Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yeah, it's 2 hours. Not 2 hours. 2 days later. So guess what? I cut my hair. Look. Hold on. I cut my hair. Literally. I really don't know how to feel about that. I cut it right here in the front. It was literally the very first lock that I showed y'all on this camera, and I cut it right here. I said, wow, that's honestly crazy. I guess because it was the one that I didn't know what I was doing for real, but still I was like, dog, you ain't have to do me like that. It go to right here, and then it's cut off. Baby girl, that was some hair. That was a good old lock of hair. I seen it and I was like, I know this ain't the weave, and this look a little bit too real. A little too. Hold on, let me show y'all. A little too natural. I said, baby girl, something isn't right. So I was like feeling around in my head because I was like, didn't just cut my hair. I know I didn't. And baby girl, I did. So I'm honestly disappointed, but it's okay. Thank God it wasn't a big piece, like, cause like even though it's like it's a good lock of hair, like you can't even really tell for real. Like if I were to just be wearing my hair, like I can disguise this. Thank God for that. Thank God that I don't think I cut any other part of my hair. That was the one that I didn't know what I was doing for real. That was the first one that I took out. So thank God that he helped me the rest of the way, because no ma'am. But so I'm gonna take down the rest of my hair, and basically that's an update. Yeah, this is what I got so far. Baby girl, my hair look hot mess. But love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel. My name is Angelina, and I didn't come back. Sorry girl, but I came back to tell y'all that I cut my hair and I didn't even know. I love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Show some love to the channel, baby. Alright. Bye, baby. Okay, I'm sorry. Bye, babies.